Hello, we have with us Mr. Ekambar, who is the owner of LIPL, Logari Industrials Private Limited, Sandur. Mr. Ekambar's company was the first company who actually started buying wash products for their commercial fleet, heavy duty vehicles, construction and mining equipment. Ekambar sir, welcome to the world of wash. How was the reaction when you first saw wash?
Wash, when we saw, we didn't feel that the product would be so good that when we tested it, it was unbreakable and other things good about it, and the LED lights which nobody else had in the market.
Yes, sir.
It was brilliant.
Thank you so much. So, as Ekambar sir is aware that we have a complete range of 5,500 products. Sir, any other company or competitor that has offered you 5,500 products?
No, but I don't think nobody has offered so much.
Okay, so you feel Wash has a very extensive range
Yes.
of products
Yes.
to suit every requirement.
Yes.
So we have been supplying warning lamps, work lamps, tail lamps, indicators, marker lamps, and a big range of products to Mr. Ekambar. Sir, since more than a year, have you faced any complaint or any kind of a piece which has got rejected, or is there any issue in the quality?
No, nowhere we have found out any issues in the thing. But seeing the quality, we are purchasing more and more of the product.
Thank you, sir. We are there for you. In future, do you recommend this kind of a light for big fleet owners and those owners who are doing mining and heavy construction? Do you recommend these lights for them?
Yes, surely we will recommend because the product quality is very good.
Yeah. So that saves your maintenance
Yes,
cost.
yes.
And it gives that look also, and
Correct.
the IP standards are also maintained.
Yes, yes.
We have with us the purchase in charge, Mr. Murli and Mr. Satish also. Mr. Murli, आपने वॉश को खुद फिट होते देखा है, आपने खुद इंस्टॉल किया है, तो बाकी लाइट्स और हमारी लाइट्स में क्या फ़र्क है सर?
फर्क ये होता है बस उसमें जो कल्चर्स है उसमें जो लाइटिंग का जो फोकस है देन वॉश का जो फोकस है वो चेंजेस है और इसमें अट्रैक्शन भी आता है वॉश में और दूसरा इसमें क्वालिटी इज वेरी गुड
ओके. इन फ्यूचर क्या आप हमसे और वॉश के प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदना चाहेंगे?
चाहते हैं
आपने अपने फ्लीट के जो कंस्ट्रक्शन के ड्राइवर्स हैं या जो हैं उनसे बात की होगी, तो उनका क्या फीडबैक है? जो ऑन फील्ड जो लोग हैं उनका क्या फीडबैक है वॉश की लाइट्स को लेके?
जो हमारा स्टाफ पूछता है अच्छा है, आप यही खरीदें।
अच्छा, वो आपको रेकमेंड करते हैं कि यही खरीदें?
करते हैं।
और इवन
तो अच्छा quality
हमको
अच्छा है।
स्टाफ बोलते हैं कि नहीं, हमको यही वाला प्रोडक्ट लेके आके
सही है, और कोई प्रोडक्ट नहीं चाहिए, सिर्फ वॉश का ही लाइट्स
Wash
चाहिए.
चाहिए।
थैंक यू सो मच सर, बहुत खुशी हुई. Let me reiterate, LIPL was the first company who actually welcomed Wash wholeheartedly for their entire fleet. They tried it on 2 vehicles. Initially 2-3 vehicles पे उन्होंने try किया, and now their entire fleet is undergoing a complete renovation in which all the wash lights are being fitted periodically. Thank you so much sir, thank you so much. Welcome to the Wash family. Thank you so much sir, thank you so much.